Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable JavaScript in Google Chrome step by step. This is important because many websites will not work properly if JavaScript is turned off, so let's get it fixed right away. So let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your device. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner and click on the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Now, in the Settings page, look for the Privacy and Security section on the left side and click on it. Next, find and click on Site Settings. Scroll down until you see an option called JavaScript. Click on JavaScript to open its settings. Now you will see two options. Sites can use JavaScript and don't allow sites to use JavaScript. To enable JavaScript, select the option that says Sites can use JavaScript. Once you select it, the setting is automatically saved. No need to press any Save button. Now you can go back and refresh your browser or reopen the website you were trying to use. After this, websites should load properly and all features should work as expected. If you are using a mobile phone, the steps are similar. Open Chrome, go to the menu, tap Settings, then Site Settings, and enable JavaScript from there. And that's it. You've successfully enabled JavaScript in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.